Hi, I'm Fernando Hernandez, and this is Dextra's Open House 2024. And I'm so glad to have here Cory Lovett. Cory, how are you doing?
Hello, very well, thank you.
You're from Nexus 21.
Yes, I am.
And you're also a fan of mezcal.
Yes, I am a fan of mezcal. Yes, very much.
Tell us about you and your relationship with Mexico.
I have had the opportunity to visit your beautiful country many times. I actually married a woman from Oaxaca, which is a little bit of why I know about mezcal and some other...
That's why you became an expert.
Beautiful cultural things, and it's not all about the mezcal, but yes, mezcal is definitely part of the heritage that I enjoy, yes. But the people are the most important thing.
So tell us, how did Nexus 21 started?
Nexus started as a company that wanted to bring more simple and elegant solutions for hiding technology. And I have a business partner who is not here with me, and we started the company 18 years ago. And it's been a long journey of listening to your clients, to the integration community, and hearing what that they needed. And our goal was to bring better solutions than what existed at that time. But both of us had experience actually in the past in office furniture, which was a strange thing. But we knew a lot of the right people and brought together engineers and very smart people that helped us build, and it's been a good journey.
So this thing about hiding technology in an elegant way, that sounded beautiful. I mean, you said it more beautiful than I did, but that's almost a slogan. That's what you integrally do, right?
Yeah, we ended up with the slogan of technology in motion, which we like. Hiding the technology is one thing, but our specialty is putting things into motion. So the idea of being able to conceal and to reveal. A television is a beautiful thing. However, it's only beautiful when it's turned on. Exactly. And when it's turned off, it's more of a bother. So being able to hide it, I think the design community combined with the integration community are in need sometimes of the solution to do both. But yes, the combination of motion and design.
Yeah, because that was part of my next question, which was, what's the philosophy of Nexus 21? You kind of answered that, right? But you have something you want to add to that?
Philosophically, I think the most important thing is, it's very important as a business owner to listen to the community that you work with and try to find solutions on their behalf. That seems obvious, but sometimes it's harder than you think. But we really care about what matters to the people who we serve and what their needs are. And it's very important to us to provide service because our particular product is a little bit complicated and can be challenging when an integrator does not have experience. So we should be available, our team should be available to them all the time, ready to go. And that kind of service, you can say it with your mouth, but you must show up and actually provide the service when people need it. So any person that you meet from the Nexus 21 team will be very happy to work with you and very happy to engage in any way. So our philosophy is very much to be there for you when you need us.
Be there for you when you need us. And this brings the next question. What's the best way to offer or sell in your products?
You know, when you go into a home and you're looking at the design needs of the space, it's good to know that products like the Nexus 21 product line exist so that you can offer your clients the solution, even though they might not think of it. If you wait for the client to ask, they don't know that the solution exists. And some of these high-end homes have so many windows and beautiful views. And if you think about it, the designer sometimes feels that they have to change all of the furnishings and everything in the room because of the screen. There's a television screen right there. I'm pointing at the screen. If there's a screen on the wall, you have to change everything because of that. It doesn't really make sense. So the idea of having art on the wall or having windows instead and face your whole furniture situation toward that is so much better. And then you can have the TV screen come out of a hidden place only when needed and then go away. So how to sell it? Think about the solution when you walk in and look at the creativity of where you can help them change their whole design. Or having the television come out of the ceiling, the designer can do anything they want with that room because you can now put the television where you did not think you could put it before, you see? So think from a design point of view.
And this is great because some people might think this is like a luxury thing, a luxurious thing to include in. Is your product a luxurious product?
Yes, it is. Yeah, it definitely
You're
is.
not concealing it.
No, not at all. No, the luxury clientele are the ones who most often will have the kind of space that needs this kind of solution. Although we have many clients, all the range, from every kind of walk of life and every kind of home style. Many people have ended up using the products in so many creative ways. But yes, certainly the luxury market is definitely part of our target market.
Is there a difference between the integrators from Mexico against the integrators from the United States?
I think integrators in general are so great to work with because they're smart, they're creative, they work hard, they solve problems for people, they provide special effects for people. The difference in the two countries, well, there's the incredible cultural difference, the warmth of your culture, and the incredible problem-solving mentality that this culture has is so great. We get many creative ideas speaking with integration professionals in Mexico, and we always enjoy those conversations. So not so much different, I think, but definitely a strong extra cultural benefit with the mindset, I think, here. I really enjoy working with the integrators here.
That's great. What are the plans into the future for Nexus 21?
Well, continue to find the next solution that people need. Continue to provide the same level of service, ongoing and never weakening, always improving. Mm-hmm. We have a philosophy in the company of always looking for the next efficiency and better way. We love leaving our clients happy. So we're never going to stop looking for those opportunities, and we will never stop being available when we're needed. That's our promise. But of course, we will continue to develop products to try to meet the needs that people have in these luxurious spaces and in these special needs for design. But the commitment is there, and we're very happy to be participating.
And lastly, so what do you think about the event? Open house?
Oh my gosh. For anyone who is seeing this who has not been to this event yet, definitely participate if you're invited and if you get to go. I'm very happy to have been invited. But striking how well organized, but just such good people. Just everybody here, especially you.
Yeah.
Everybody here, just excellent people. I don't even know who I'm pointing.
I love it that you're looking into the camera like, if you're looking at me right now, you should come here.
Yes.
You should be here.
Yes, I'm speaking.
I'm speaking to you.
Yes.
He's speaking to you.
Yes, I would definitely participate. Yes, it's definitely worth the trip and the time. Just excellent people, excellent experience, high value, but great people. Yes, thank you.
That's amazing. Cory Lovett from Nexus 21, thank you for coming.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
This has been our interview with Cory Lovett here at Dextra's Open House 2024. I'm Fernando Hernandez. We'll see you next time.